Hello everyone. Today let's understand how to connect to SQL Server. You recently installed SQL Server and SQL Server Management Studio SSMS tool. You would like to test whether your installation is correct or not. How to do that? A three-step simple process. This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. Assuring you complete practice orientation, 100% practice orientation and job oriented scenario based training classes. Come on, let's understand how to test the connections, how to test our installation. If you are watching this video for the very first time, or if you are watching our videos for the first time, I request you to support us by subscribing to the channel. Like, share and subscribe. Let's make sure we don't miss the new technical videos that I will be posting, at least 2 or 3 videos every week, mostly during weekends. Let's get started. Let's see how to connect your locally installed SQL Server. I assume you installed SQL Server. You install SSMS. Now, what we do? Launch SSMS first. There you see one server name, prompt, browse for more, expand database engine, and select your server name, connect. Usually authentication would be Windows. What does it mean? Let's see. Let's understand. Simple and straight. What is that? Yes, here it is. Firstly, go to your computer. So go to your desktop and launch SSMS. Okay, this one 2017 or higher version. Just launch or open. Click open. Let's launch our tool, SSMS tool. We would be receiving a prompt. We get a prompt for server name. Very first time you get a prompt like this. Now what server name we need to provide? Let's see. Drop down, browse for more. Okay, drop down, browse for more, expand database engine, select whatever server you installed. Without selecting the server, we don't see OK button enabled, right? Select the server, OK, connect. Let me repeat. Like a browser used to connect to multiple websites, here our SQL Server Management Studio tool can be used to connect to multiple servers. Connect database engine and drop down. I'm just repeating, drop down. Browse for more. Select database engine, second server, OK, and usually Windows authentication. That's fine. In fact, Windows authentication is the default. Click connect. That's it. You are connected to one or more servers from our locally installed SSMS. If you get a question like how to connect to a remote server, please refer to the playlist link available in the description of this video. It has good amount of videos. The playlist contains good amount of videos on common connection errors and solutions. And the playlist gets updated with at least 1 or 2 videos every week. Please subscribe and support us. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Any further questions or clarifications, please do reach me. Glad to assist you. Thank you so much. Have a nice time.